This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker EBET or Ebet. So this thing is ticking up a little bit here in pre-market today. You can see that it closed at 0.073 on Friday. Let me go to the 15-minute, and you can see this thing is rising up a bit here. So big explosion here, and you can see it ran all the way from 3 cents up to about 11 cents, and now it has pulled back. Unable here to set a fresh high. So it's just kind of making lower highs here, kind of trapped within a range. So they did get notice from NASDAQ on multiple reasons they should be delisted. So it says as previously reported here, NASDAQ notified them that they're under the $1 minimum share price requirement, and they got this extension. So they have until November 20th, 2023 to regain compliance with the $1 requirement. On July 31st, the company was notified by staff that it determined that the company's stock price had a bid price or a closing bid price of 10 cents or less for 10 consecutive trading days. So this is another reason NASDAQ wants to delist them. And then here on August 15th, the company received letter from NASDAQ again that they're not maintaining the minimum of 2.5 million in stockholders' equities. There's like multiple reasons here they're going to get kicked off of NASDAQ. So let's just say they make the 10-cent mark, which I highly doubt that's going to happen. They are not going to meet the $1 mark. So eventually this thing is going to get delisted if they don't do a reverse split. Because if you look at the financials, they're complete trash. Let's look at the cash flow statement here for the most recent quarter of earnings. So they've got 1.4 million in cash. That's it, 1.4 million. And look at their free cash flow for the last 12 months. They burned through in 12 months 11 million in cash, and they've only got 1 million in cash on hand. So if they're going to stay afloat, they're going to have to raise capital, they're going to have to dilute, they're going to have to take out more debt, like they're going to have to do something because they're going to run out of cash really quickly. And if they want to stay on NASDAQ, they're going to have to do a reverse split because they're not making the $1 mark without doing some kind of reverse split. So let's take a look here at another ticker that was about to be delisted, did get suspended from NASDAQ. And let's see what happened to them. So this is BBIG here, Venco Ventures. You see they rallied up to like almost $6, and then boom, suspension, massive sell-off. Now they're at like 17 cents. So don't take it lightly that a company is getting kicked off of a major exchange like NASDAQ. You can see what happened here to BBIG. They went from $6 to 17 cents. So don't listen to those idiots out there that try to tell you, oh, it's no big deal if it goes OTC. And also it's no big deal if they're bleeding cash and they're going to go bankrupt or they're going to run out of money. They try to pump these crappy stocks, these shitty companies, like they're going to get bought out or something crazy is going to happen. But don't listen to those clowns. They have no idea what they're talking about. And there's a lot of people on YouTube that pump these shitty stocks like BBIG and Ebet. And all you got to do is come in and look at the financials, look at the SEC filings, and you can see that these are crappy companies, crappy stocks that are getting booted from NASDAQ to OTC and really facing financial problems. We'll kind of see what happens here with this 10-cent mark. I doubt they're going to get above that and stay above that long enough. But again, if they do somehow, it's not going to matter because they're not going to meet the $1 mark. So we're going to see a reverse split. The price is going to get reset. They're going to continue to bleed cash, and the shorts are just going to crush this thing back down probably under 10 cents. If let's just say they do like a reverse split and they get above that $1 mark, they're just going to get crushed again because their financials are complete garbage. And this is just the same story over and over. We always see it. The apes get all excited about this shitty company that's bleeding cash that might go bankrupt, and they try to get in some kind of short squeeze, and typically what happens is the stock gets delisted from the major exchange and pretty much just heads to zero. The buyouts usually never happen, and the long-term shareholders just get crushed and end up losing all their money. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker EBET or Ebet. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.